I'm going to show you how to make Brazilian cheese bread. It's really easy. You throw all the ingredients in a blender, you blend it up, and you pour it into a mini muffin tin and you cook it for 20 minutes, and they're really delicious. They're like little cheesy, chewy muffins. They kind of have the texture, like you might think, oh, this kind of seems like it's made with rice flour or something because it's a little bit chewy, like mochi, but it's not. It's made with tapioca flour. Let me show you how easy it is. Here's what you'll need. Let's see, you'll need an egg, a 1/4 cup of olive oil, 2/3 of a cup of milk. I've never used plant milk, so I'm not sure how that would work. I don't buy milk, so I don't really have any right now, but I do have half and half because my husband uses it in his coffee. So I'm just gonna use a little bit of half and half with watered down just a little bit. And let's see, 1½ cups of tapioca flour or tapioca starch, and a 1/2 cup of grated cheese. I've got a mix here. I was just trying to use up some cheese in my fridge, so I've got some feta and some Gruyere, and some sea salt, a 1/2 teaspoon. And then I like to put in about a teaspoon of garlic powder too, because it gives it that extra punch that I like. You just pop them right out. They're really hot, but whew, I'll show you. They're kind of gooey still inside. I cooked these for 23 minutes. You can cook them between 20 and 25. We like ours a little bit crunchier.